Welcome to Concentric, where we bring the premier tools for all of us to synchronize innovation with purposeful regeneration. We are addressing the real politic. This is about quality of life. Talk is cheap and theories are boring. This is hands-on in the trenches, throw-down resolution to the world's most serious challenges. Hunger, dehydration, poverty, pollution, disease, and climate. In a world full of fear and confusion in the face of unprecedented population, we bring hope, and we bring it headlong. HOPE stands for Holistic Operations, practically for our Econogy. What Concentric represents is so profound and yet so simple that a completely overhauled metric had to be created to quantify how momentous we really are. It's called the Index of Econogy, TI, and it is simply the world's first and most complete way to value the combined economical and ecological performance of any investment. The Index of Econogy is a measure of where the economy plus ecology both win together in resonance. TI equals simple payback in years, plus carbon cost, currency per ton of CO2 equivalent reduction. It's scored like golf. The lower the score, the better. That means faster economic recovery, plus a real measure of efficiency of carbon usage. Concentric works all have TI less than 1. No other energy, food, air, or water methods, technologies, or businesses have TI less than 5. This is not about competition. It is about riding the only horse in the race. If you care about the future of life on Earth, and you are investing in any way in energy, food, air, or water, and not using the Index of Econogy as your evaluation tool, then you are wasting your time and your money. TI, it's time to even the score. Because Concentric is the paragon of circularity. We are restoration, accelerated and amplified. We are expert habitat engineers, and we've spent nearly half a century realigning the ground rules of power generation so we can regenerate all resources. To live life abundantly, 100% pollution-free. Via the carbonic resonance, we not only obtain true gross zero carbon emissions, but we do it in a way that increases profitability by over 1,000%. And electric power is just the hub of the wheel. 1. Aquaponics. Aquaponics is not new, but its application to feed billions is. It's simply the combined cultivation of fish and microgreens. It grows 50 times more food using 95% less land and water, and with the electrical and thermal energy coming from a Concentric power plant, it's also the lowest cost food production method ever. 2. And let's get real. The digital economy is electron-thirsty. Combined with our state-of-the-art integrated cooling designs, the electricity from a Concentric power plant is the best possible source of energy for any data center or Wi-Fi hub. 3. Regenerative soil amendments like Eco-Panoply, Eco-Fiber, Ecochar, and C12-grade graphene, pure carbon, transform agricultural and power system residuals into soil-enhancing microbes and fertilizers at unrivaled scale and sustainability. 4. Eco-industrial combined heat, power, and cooling, CHPC, remains the bailiwick of Concentric. We not only create electricity pollution-free, but also extract more BTUs or joules than anyone from those fuels in order to customize the overall energy efficiency of important industrial and commercial operations. 5. Controlled climate sprout feed modules for livestock husbandry secure animal health and food security while conserving land and water resources. Powered by Concentric, craved by cows. 6. Last but certainly not least, as another byproduct of Concentric power, we can transform any wastewater into potable grade at the lowest expense of any methods available anywhere in the world today. Biomimicry in the form of advanced oxidation and even sequential flash distillation, all driven by Concentric's leading CHPC technologies, render water quality and shortage challenges into yet another serious form of problem solved. EFRE, we started as a power generation specialist, and we have taken that skill to a whole other level. Concentric brings an unrivaled ability to provide electricity for free because the byproducts of our power generation processes are up to 1,000 times more valuable than the power itself. Yes, this is at gigawatt scale. Now, today, we are headlong into the 21st century. Isn't it about time we wake up to the real opportunities and real solutions to seize these days? Consensus assures us that we must grow as much nutritious food in the next 3 decades as in the previous 3 millennia. Concentric has the ways to do that now. We alone integrate sustainable energy and essential foods. That's why we are the future of habitat engineers, of life on Earth to the fullest. We have patented and proven utopian ecosystems designed for sustainable life, more efficiently than anyone, ever. We turn the very act of living into a sustainable profit center. And our diversity locks in resiliency anywhere on or even off Earth. If you or anyone you love is interested in living life to the fullest, Concentric is the standard for the 21st century and beyond. The resurgency has begun, and you haven't missed it. Everyone is allowed in the Carbonic Resonance Coalition. The mega-profitable and bioelegant conversion of CO2 to algae to graphene is the epitome of smashing out the now obsolete economy versus ecology debate. Don't just decarbonize, net zero. Recarbonize, true gross zero. Eco-engineered bioelegance is the way, and it's way better. Ready. The science is proven and patented. Steady. The equipment is optimized and modular. Go. The movement has already started. For more information, contact us at www.concentric8.com. Concentric 8. Synchronize innovation with purposeful restoration. We are Concentric. Join our green.